may I know what is the stand of the government on this regard?
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, it was right that the question has been done by the previous chairman. So as of now, the process of scrutinized paper is little bit left, not yet over. Yes, as per the document is that they are qualified, and we are yet awaited for the final proof document to submitted by them. And when they submit the final proof document, then we'll take a call and we'll plan how to go in future. As of now, we are waiting for the final proof document from the company.
Sir, for the financial year ending on March 1st, 2022, the turnover of BCPL is under rupee 1 crore. So, may I know, is there any guarantee that this company will be able to run MCCL or not, if this is the case?
Mr. Speaker, sir, that is the reason that we are waiting for their document proof. Then only we will take a call whether it is feasible to run it or not. Now the process of scrutiny is still on. So not yet finalized.
So,
and the point mentioned by the lawyer was a fact, it's true. So let us finalize first. When everything is in order, when everything is in place, then we'll take a final call whether the company is now the call how to go in future.
So because in the course of I'll go back to the first supplement, sir. Because in the first supplement, his answer is that it is found that this company is qualified. So I don't know whether the minister is contradicting himself or not. When in the first case he said that this company is found to be qualified, and now he agreed that maybe this company may not be qualified.
Mr. Swasa, I am not contradicting myself. I already state very clearly, as per paper submitted is qualified. But as per tender clause in the tender part itself, we have to verify it with their original documents submitted by them. So till today, 2 times we have remind them, so the final document is not yet submitted by them. That is the reason we are still awaited for the repayment. Then only will we take a call whether they are finalized for qualified or not.
So let us not forget the fact that this private company owned by the state government has been the whole right for the people of our numbers. So in my opinion, sir, I feel that to go for a joint venture, it will put this company at risk. And so it will be better if the government can have a kind of a comparative statement to compare between MCs and private limited that are there in Giant Hills. The benefits that people derive from the MCCL, and the benefit that from those companies that are there in Giant Hills. To complete. So may I know where the company is?
Point is noted, Mr. Speaker, so the matter will be examined. Yes, by having stone, confirm.
May I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Commerce and Industry, how many staff are there working under MCCL?
Presently, Mr. Speaker, is 280.
So, are they paid according to the City Commission? Please.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir.
May I please know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge, Commerce and Industries, that how much amount of money has been given as grant to bail out the MCCL in the last 3 years, if there is any? Thank you.
Mr. Speaker, sir. Payment for the right from 2020 till 23 February, it was First one is 13 crore, 1,08,000. And second is 3.60 crore. And third is 25 lakhs, 47,024. And number four is 21 crore, 51 lakhs, 36,040 rupees. And last is 4 crore during this last 3 years.
Your last question, please.
Sir, the Chief Minister in his budget speech has said that the state's own tax revenue for 23-24 is estimated to increase to rupees 3,200 something, sir, 205 maybe, crore. So while the state non-tax revenue for 2023 it's expected to reach to rupees 742 crore. So may I know, can the government infuse the required equity of rupees 200 crore to revive the MCCL and maintain its identity as the public sector undertaking of the Meghalaya government?
Mr. Speaker, sir. So just for the knowledge of the House, since 2006 till date, 350 crores has been infused into MCCL. And in the last 5 years alone, 100 crores has been infused. And mostly has been to pay off the salaries and also the dues of MCCL, sir. So government has in numerous instances has been investing and infusing money precisely because of the reasons mentioned by the Honorable Member. That obviously there is a special consideration for MCCL and we are concerned about its employees. But while we look at the finances, sir, it's not just the MCCL. We have almost close to 1,000 crores that has to be infused into MECL. We have other issues which were mentioned yesterday regarding teachers. There will be a lot of investments being made there. So there are numerous expenditures that the government has to do. And hence, in the last many years, as I said, 350 crores has been infused into MC, and we are not able to